Earlier this month, OpenAI hit code red after the release of Google Gemini 3 Pro, the most powerful LLM ever. And now it's been leaked that OpenAI are rushing to ship a new model codenamed Garlic, and it's reported to be another shift in the whole AI race. You see, Google released Gemini 3 and it jumped to the top of all the reasoning benchmarks. OpenAI have been feeling this pressure, and now they're accelerating a new model that reportedly beats Gemini 3 and Claude Opus 4.5 in reasoning and coding. And that's the big reason everyone is watching this. While Garlic is the internal codename for OpenAI's next major model, it may ship as GPT 5.2 or GPT 5.5. That's yet to be announced. But we do know it is built specifically to improve coding and reasoning, with early release expected either in late December or maybe held until first quarter of 2026. Now, the big idea behind Garlic is that it can run with more knowledge on a smaller model, so effectively runs at lower cost and lower power, so it's more efficient but outperforming everyone else. In simple terms, the real breakthrough in AI reported is that it solves a pre-training bottleneck that limited how much knowledge smaller models could hold. This means now smaller models can run with the same intelligence, there's faster training cycles, lower interference cost, and better performance where it actually matters. So what does this actually mean for us as everyday users? Well, your AI becomes way better at hard problems. Most models today can write content and summarize text, but coding and reasoning, they still wobble a bit, and Garlic is another step forward in helping to fix that. This means you're going to get fewer hallucinated answers, cleaner code with fewer bugs, better decision-making support, and more reliable agents and automations. So you can stop babysitting your models so much and actually leave it to run more often. 2, everything gets cheaper and faster. Garlic's core breakthrough is smaller model, more knowledge, and it means OpenAI can run it at a fraction of the cost compared to previous versions. For users and businesses, that might be lower API bills, higher token limits, or getting more out of your tokens per cost, faster responses, and better performance on the same hardware. So if AI has previously been a bit expensive for you, it might now fit into your budget. 3, agent workflows will take a step forward in reliability. Every AI company is pushing towards agentic systems, tools that not only answer, but actually take action for you. Right now, reasoning does limit that to a certain extent, and Garlic's improvements are again another move forward to smoother multi-step reasoning, less backtracking, better file handling and debugging and planning, and more autonomy without chaos. 4, the competitive gap is changing again. Once these models get cheaper and cheaper and faster to run, smaller businesses, solopreneurs have leverage that used to require bigger teams. Developers can ship features faster, operations can automate more things, and bigger enterprise can actually cut the costs on what they're spending on AI at the moment. Finally, the user experience of ChatGPT should take a jump forward. They've admitted that ChatGPT needs to get better across the board to keep up with competitors. They're in a user battle at the moment, with Gemini fast catching up and outstripping it as an everyday LLM. Garlic should hopefully be that step forward that means fewer weird and hallucinated answers, more context awareness, faster generation, and more accurate, and all of that baked into becoming a more reliable AI partner in your business. In short, it's reported that you'll get more accuracy, more speed, more trust, more capability through ChatGPT. But right now, we're waiting for news on when this will actually be released and what the official name of the model will be.